Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs from the topic that you're seeing on your screen. So the practice of these MCQs will give you confidence and you would be able to score better in the coming NEET exams. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The central fluid filled cavity of blastula is known as option A. Archenteron, option B. Blastocele, option C. Blastocyst, or option D. Morula. The central fluid filled cavity of blastula is known as. The correct answer is option B. Blastocele. Question number 2. Genetic identity of a human male is determined by option A. Autosomes, option B. Nucleolus, option C. Cell organelles, or option D. Sex chromosomes. Genetic identity of human male is determined by. The correct answer is option D, that is sex chromosomes. So what does the genetic makeup of a human male? Right, 44 plus XY chromosomes, and for human female it is 44 plus XX chromosome. So this sex chromosome, whether it's Y or X, is determining whether the fetus will develop into male or female. Question 3. Sertoli cells are found in option A. Liver, option B. Seminiferous tubules, option C. Heart, or option D. Germinal epithelium. Sertoli cells are found in. The correct answer is option B. Seminiferous tubules. Question 4. Fertilizin is a chemical substance produced from option A. Mature eggs, option B. Acrosomes, option C. Polar bodies, or option D. Middle piece of sperm. Fertilizin is a chemical substance produced from. The correct answer is option A. Mature eggs. Question 5. Fertilization of ova in human takes place in. What is the location of fertilization in humans? Option A. Ovary, option B. Vagina, option C. Fallopian tube, or option D. Uterus. Fertilization of ova in humans take place in. The correct answer is option C. Fallopian tube. Question 6. Cells which secrete male sex hormone are. Cells which secrete male sex hormone are. Option A. Isthmus. Option B. Crypt cells. Option C. Leukocyte cells, or option D. Leydig cells. Cells which secrete male sex hormone are. The correct answer is option D. Leydig cells. Question 7. Secondary oocyte is not present in. Secondary oocyte is not present in. Option A. Secondary follicle. Option B. Tertiary follicle. Option C. Graafian follicle, or option D. None of these. Secondary oocyte is not present in. The correct answer is option A. Secondary follicle. Secondary follicle contains primary oocyte. Primary follicle and secondary follicle contain the primary oocyte. Now when the secondary follicle develops into tertiary follicle, the primary oocyte changes to secondary oocyte by undergoing the meiotic division, right? So secondary follicle doesn't contain secondary oocyte. Question number 8. The morphogenic movement changes the hollow spherical blastula into a option A. Embryonic disc, option B. Gastrula, option C. Morula, or option D. Neurula. Morphogenic movement changes the hollow spherical blastula into. The correct answer is option B. Gastrula, and this process is known as gastrulation. Question 9. Hormone that predominates in the luteal phase of menstrual cycle is option A. Progesterone, option B. Estrogen, option C. LH, or option D. FSH. Hormone that predominates the luteal phase of menstrual cycle is. The correct answer is option A, progesterone. And what is the source of progesterone? Right, corpus luteum is the source of progesterone. And what is the source of estrogen? The growing follicles are the source of estrogen. And what is the source of LH and FSH? Yes, it is secreted from the anterior pituitary. So LH and FSH are pituitary hormones. Estrogen is secreted by the growing follicles and progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum. Question number 10. Implantation of blastocyst occurs in option A, 4th day after fertilization, 5th day after fertilization, 6th day after fertilization, or 7th day after fertilization. Implantation of blastocyst occurs on. The correct answer is option D. It occurs on the 7th day after fertilization. Question number 11. The secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called as follicular phase lasting for about 6 days, luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. Follicular phase lasting for about 13 days or luteal phase lasting for about 6 days. Secretory phase in human menstrual cycle is also called. The correct answer is option B, luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. Question number 12. The first movement of the fetus and appearance of hair on its head are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? 4th, 5th, 6th or 3rd? The correct answer is option B, that is 5th month. Question number 13. Drugs that cause malformation in developing embryo during pregnancy are called teratogens, nicotine, tranquilizers, or alcoholic beverages. Malformations in developing embryo is caused by drugs which are called as. The correct answer is option A, teratogens. Question number 14. Bartholin's gland is found in penis, stomach, liver, vagina. Bartholin's gland is found in. The correct answer is option D, that is vagina. Question number 15. Which set is similar? Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle, sebum, sweat, vitamin B7, niacin, bundle of His, pacemaker. Similar set. The correct answer is option A, corpus luteum, Graafian follicle. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of MCQs at this very place, this very time from the next chapter of class 12th NCERT biology. We are doing the daily biology MCQ test series over here where we are providing you MCQs every day from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT biology so that you get a lot of practice before the coming NEET exam. So we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.